Welcome back to Sia TV and the Sia Weekly update. You might notice that this video is coming to you on Monday instead of Friday. That will be the cadence moving forward to better sync up with the development updates which come over the weekend. This week we've got a good one for you. We've got development updates, info about our move to GitLab, an update on 1.3.4, and early hardware wallet testing. Because we skipped last week, we'll start with combined development updates for the week of July 8th and 15th. 13 issues were closed, 18 issues were created, and 22 new pieces of code were merged into the core code base. This week we moved Sia development from GitHub to GitLab. In addition to being a fellow open source project, GitLab provides some nice features like the ability to provide complex permissions for our most frequent contributors and tools for self-hosting. GitLab should prove to be a comfortable long-term home for the project. Read more on David's blog post. Work continues on the new .sia file format for version 1.4.0. This new format will pave the way for a whole host of great new features, like better handling of small files, seed-based file recovery, and file sharing. Chris handled lots of migration tasks and improved the way download speeds are reported. David changed and cleared up the formatting for Sia C Renter and Sia C Renter contracts commands. And Matt added a way to link a new and old file contract after renewal. He added the new fields renewed from contract ID and renewed to contract ID. Thanks to tbenz9 for July 8th's update and Hakane for July 15th's update. And also a big congratulations to tbenz9. He missed last week's update because his new baby was born. Thanks for all of your work in support of the project. The entire Nebulous team wishes you and your family the best. In case you missed it, Release Candidate 1 of version 1.3.4 was put out 2 Fridays ago. Faster downloads, more correct renter spending tracking, and several new API endpoints for developers are among the new features. And finally, Luke has been working on an official Sia app for the Ledger Nano S, and he's released an alpha version of the software. I can attest, this has been a massively requested feature and something that will be a great addition to the Sia ecosystem for storing Sia coin and Sia funds. It's alpha, so there's still a little bit of a barrier to entry and it's only recommended for power users at this time. And that's all for this week. That was a lot of information. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you next time.